2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button or something like that. I just died. We need to do it again. Pablo. No, I just died. Which one's 39? Right there. There you go. Yay, I won. Guys, we are so close to 190 subscribers. Please subscribe so we can hit 200 subscribers.
It's a banana next to a banana.
What the? What are bananas? No! I got sucked in! Pablo. We gotta run to the ground. Yay, we made it! Clicking button. Oh, he clicked it, I think. Rob the bank. Okay. That's easy. Pablo. Oh no. Yes, we did it. We need to run before the police officers catch us. No! I died. I almost made it alive. No. Clicks button constantly. So guys, I'll try to make more videos with face camera. I don't have the face camera in this video because one, I washed my hair and my hair looks ugly when I wash it. And two, I don't know. Clicks button constantly. My friend just said hi, Emily. I'll say hi later because I'm making a video. Yay, I pressed the button. Woo! Whee! Oh my god. Woo! Whee! Woo! Boink. Whee! Boink. Woo! Boink. Whee! Boink. No, get more money! No more? Come! Come, people, come! Yay! I just died. Is that a person flying right there? No, it's not. I tried to watch out. I need to go right here. I'm going for the coins.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Yay, knowledge! I graduated. No more school forever. Yay, so I can make YouTube videos every day. Yay! Grab the most rings. Okay. I'm trying to. Quick! Quick! No! That girl won for some reason. Okay. A giant volcano? Oh no, we gotta watch out. Ah! Come on, we gotta watch out, guys. Haha, you missed. Ah! What the? No! No, it's gonna fall on me! Everyone's gonna die! Ah! Ah! The other side. They're making me jump these people. Yay, I did it. I need to try and push this button. Did I press it? No! That's girls. That girl pressed it. Ah! Why is that guy flying? He's not supposed to be flying. Ah! Ah! They're bouncing. The lava balls are bouncing. I need to do this for the coins. Dodge what lasers? Where? Oh my god. Okay, good. I dodged it. We are the only ones left. Hey! I didn't even touch it. That's not fair. Get me down there. Press, press, press. Yay, I got 6. If I don't press the button or win, I'm gonna be so mad. Ah! Yeet Master. Who the heck is that? OMG. Plates are gonna be falling. We need to survive. Keep on moving. Hi, Rocky. Okay, we gotta keep on moving. Oh no, a bunch of plates are falling. I feel like that one's gonna fall. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. No! I just fell. Yay! I touched the button. No, not another volcano. No, 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 no. If I die, no, 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 no. I hate that.
1, 2,